time here, especially in classics. 1967 Dodge Coronet 500 convertible. 318 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Transmission was rebuilt in 2022. Power steering. Let's take a look at the bright work. Chrome up front. This was originally a bright red car, as well as black vinyl bucket seats with center console. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, top up, top down. I have a close-up of the fender tags. If you want to do any decoding, you can, and I'll get into that in just a little bit. But first, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on steel wheels. Got some nice chrome Moonies there. Toyo radials. Now, as far as that fender tag, I did decode it. So there's also a picture of the sheet with the decoding in with the still pictures. Go ahead and check that out. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You'd see these panels nice and straight. Paint shows well in this car. Would I say it's perfect? No, there's a few spots where there's a touch up here or there I noticed on the hood. But overall, it's one that's going to turn some heads. Take it to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows, or just out to drive, have some fun with that top down. There you get an idea what the rest of the passenger side looks like. Black vinyl top in great condition. Power top works. I'm going to show you that. Towards the end of the video, Jason will also take this for a drive. There you get an idea what the interior looks like. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, take a little closer peek at the interior. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust, chrome in the rear bumper, looking good. And again, take your time looking through those still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. With the decoding, you're going to see it wasn't originally a red car, black vinyl interior, console car. Does have the fender mounted turn signal indicators. So we take a look down the driver's side. Also see those panels nice and straight. If you're into Mopars, like these late 60s to 70s, Dodge, Plymouth, Chryslers, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. These videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether it be right off our showroom floor or online. That parade boot fits nice, looks good too, and as you can see, interior also in nice shape, not full of rips, tears, holes. Carpeting nicely done. Custom stereo install, I believe it was a JVC. AM, FM, CD player. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, 318 power. Believed to be original miles passed along from owner to owner. I cannot confirm or deny that due to the fact once the car is a certain age, the miles are marked exempt on the title. Take a look at that. Fuel gauge is working. That was a cold start. We expect that to be up. Alternator. And I can vouch for the JVC stereo also working. Console mounted tap. Well, aftermarket one. Dash looks good. And again, the seating surfaces, very nice shape. Slip around to the back so you can hear this 318. It does have an Edelbrock 4-barrel on it, as well as an Edelbrock intake manifold. Nice sounding, a little rumble coming out of that. Let's check out this engine bay. Then we're going to check the convertible top going up and down, the condition of that, and We'll have Jason take it for a drive. Underside of the hood. Looks good. There it is. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Battery disconnect when it's in storage in between drives. Smooth runner. No doubt about that. All right, let's go ahead and get the tripod set up. Check out this top going up. Check out the condition. Wrap up this walk around. All right, and the top up. So black vinyl, as you can see, nice tight fit above the windshield. Also rolled up the side glass, so you can see how that fits. Looks like a fairly new top by the condition of it. Nice tight fit. Haven't seen any rips, tears, holes. Rear window nice and clear. And passenger side also looking good. Side windows rolled up. So no surprises on the top. I will show you going back down to real quick here. And remember, very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. So 1967 Dodge Coronet 500 convertible. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And like I said, stick around just a bit longer. I'll show you the top going down, and Jason will show you how it goes down the road.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1967 Dodge Coronet. This is a two-door convertible in red with a black interior. This is an automatic on the center console. Both our turn signal indicators are working. Plenty of power to pull this convertible along. Nice throttle response and smooth acceleration from this Dodge Coronet. Factory horn is working as it should. We do have the top up today on this convertible, and it's surprisingly very, very little wind noise. It's nice and quiet in this car for what it is. The fuel gauge is showing almost 3/4 of a tank. The temperature gauge almost a third of the way up. The volts are charging over half on the gauge. That's all looking good. The speedometer working, showing 50 miles an hour right now. JVC stereo in your dash. That sounds good. We have a Pro tachometer from Equus down on the center console below the dash. That's working as well. Brakes feel good. Factory looking vinyl bucket seats in this car. The wipers work. The blower motor also works. This car corners nicely. Only leans as much as you would expect. Easy to steer. There's the kick down on that automatic transmission. Giving us lots more power to go down the road. Fun car to drive. Beautiful convertible to have out on a sunny day. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Coronet at uniqueclassiccars.com.